living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy.
Hello family, we are still out here in Togo exploring the street, neighborhood and community. We are not on the street today, we are right here on the beach. So I'll be taking you guys around different resorts that they have here in Baguida, Togo. So guys, come with me, let's go check it out. I decided to come explore this beach neighborhood to show you guys where you can chill and unwind, just in case you are in Togo or you're looking to visit and you just want somewhere that you can escape to after a very busy day from all the city stress and noise. So stick with me as we explore Baguida environ. What are people right here? Togo. Togo. Baka. Spider. Cat. Africa. What has the spider hat with this? Just call design government road for them. What is this? If you're like me, you will definitely expect a resort in one of the richest neighborhoods in Togo to be nothing short of outstanding. And that is exactly what this place is. The first place that we explore in this video is called Marello Beach. I go on this one. At the entrance of the beach side, they have this beautiful aquarium that you can't help but stop to take a look at those little creatures having some fun inside. I found this very fascinating. I had to stop and take my time to just watch the fishes do their thing. I love it. It's so fascinating. See fish and another fish there.
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, they are tilapias. Aww. Can we get it?
It's smelling good.
That was tempting to walk past. One of the things that stand out to me about this beach is how loud it speaks Africa without speaking Africa. Almost everything that they used to put this place together has a touch of Africa on it. And the view, the scenery, the greeny part of it is amazing. Walking towards the beach, they have this really nice setup that is really giving, in my opinion. Guys, this place is very big, very, very big. So let's just take a little walk around for you guys to see some other part of this place and get to see the details. Like we always do on this channel, we show you the details part of everything that you need to know and see.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel
Every Sunday they used to do karaoke here. Yeah, every Sunday if you come here, you will enjoy weekend. Like if you come in weekend, but in working days you can come and relax. If you don't like noise, you can come here and just relax and enjoy the peaceful moments.
like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. day. Got a buildup of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby, have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you, but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away.
They also have swimming pool. Maybe if you don't want to swim inside the seawater, you can also go to the swimming pool, then you pay and swim there. They also have a relaxing place that you can also relax there. Or if you want to stay at the beach side, this is the beach side, you can stay and also enjoy yourself.
This place is huge, very big.
And so peaceful.
Yeah. Is there like a bridge there? Oh my, see that canopy work. Wish we have something like this in Cotonou. I'm jealous.
Might come one day.
It's definitely coming. And guys, it's very close to the port. You can see the port over there. That's their port. You can see all those big cranes. I'll be right beside you. Like a wall of
Okay,
I'm here to make my village people proud. As you can see, I'm just about to walk on a canopy on the water. I want to make my village people proud. Guys, not me. I'm not the one that walk on this thing. I'm very scared of water and I cannot even swim. Me. But guys, to say the truth, I really like this place. It's really giving. Every part of this resort is giving. And to not even bust you guys' purpose, we didn't pay a dime and we've been walking around this place for over an hour now. I've been around to record videos, everything. I didn't even buy a drink, I didn't do anything. I was just using strong mind to walk around. And nobody stopped us, we're just doing our thing. Play with this. Look. Ooh! Guys, can you see that? Oh my goodness. This is what adults are doing. I thought they are just a daylight monkey. These people decide to turn themselves to daylight monkeys. They are climbing rope. Those parts over there. That's where we were before, that side like that. We left the beach side and head towards the hotel side. And on our way, we saw this where they have different varieties of fishes and meat and their price tag. So this is the entrance from the beach side to the hotel side where they have different activities aside from even having hotel and apartment there. They have gym and they also have the pool side on this part.
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life. Have to be a
This is the way to the hotel, and here they have hotels and they also have apartments where you can book to stay for some period of time. I don't really know the cost of their hotels and their apartment, but I'm sure they would have a website that you can go online to check. From what I learned, they said this place is owned by a Togolese. It's good to see when Africans are investing into their countries like this. And I also heard that this is the biggest resort that they have in Togo, which is really commendable. This place is really nice. The scenery, the structure, everything is given. This is what inside some of the rooms and the duplex apartments looks like. Like I said earlier, guys, this place have touch of Africa on almost everything. Oh, did I tell you guys they have a golf course too? Yes, they do. So we left Marcelo Beach and head to the other side where they have some other resort. When we got to the other beaches, we could not record because they have a lot of guests around, and we don't want to use our phone to disturb people that are there to enjoy, chill, and have some fun. Because when you go to some beaches like this, some people might not be fully clothed, and you don't want to be capturing, people in your videos, and also you don't just want to intrude their privacy because they are there to have some fun. So we just captured some few clips here and there of all these other paths, so you guys can have a view of what it looks like.
Some sort of pain, you caused a permanent stain, which has determined your fate. I've never seen so clear, I feel the end and it's near. The day of reckoning's here, the sound of death
So family, that will be all for today's video. Thank you for watching this far. Remember to give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, share it with your family, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't. So that being said, until next time, stay blessed and see you in the next one. Bye.
I got an angel and devil, he steps me straight in the temple. I'm ready to be a rebel.